Welcome to PDFLiner Easy Guides. Today we are going to show you how to draw on a PDF using PDFLiner. If you frequently need to mark up, annotate, or enhance the visual appearance of your PDF documents, this guide is precisely what you're looking for. So, firstly, upload your form to PDFLiner or search for one in our library. Once the PDF editor is loaded, we can start drawing. On the upper panel, you can find all the needed tools to edit your document. Let's pick the Draw tool and draw something in here. Next, we can change the width and color of the line on the upper settings panel. If you need to mark something on your document, you can use the Insert Items set of tools. For example, we can add a line and again change the color and width. Or we can point with an arrow and add a text box as a note. And let's also change the color of the text box. If you need to highlight something in your document, use this highlighting tool. You can also add images to PDFs, for example, your logo. This way you can improve the visual appearance of your document. Click on the Add Image tool, pick one of your images or upload one from your computer and place it on your document. With this set of tools, drawing on a PDF becomes an easy task that can really save you a lot of time and effort because you can use it anytime from any device. Once you're done editing, click on one of these buttons to download, share, or simply save the progress. If you like this guide, click the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more PDF editing tips. Using PDFLiner, you can also edit, sign, convert, and share any PDF documents and have unlimited access to thousands of fillable forms. Learn more at pdfliner.com.